1, 2, 3. Looks like it's recording. I just gotta stop moving now. This feels so stupid. All right. Anyway, I have this layout from our digital printable inserts. This is from the Box Weekly version, and it's probably one of my favorites. So I love this version, but I also do like the horizontal. The horizontal gives me a little bit more freedom throughout the rest of the week because it's got the horizontal on one side, and then it has the like a blank grid that's really easy to work with. It's sort of like half planner, half Bujo. This one, which is our box, is a little bit more structured. And personally, I like that structure because otherwise I feel like I don't know where to start. So I'm definitely feeling at the moment like I need a little bit of chill out time and a bit of a relax. So I'm going to grab the Rejuvenate Kit and I'm just going to plan a week. Sorry, there's some crunchy. My apologies. But one of the things that I love to do first is I love to pull out, well, firstly the pen. I love to pull out the sticker book because the sticker book has so much deco in it, but mainly because I find it really helps me to pick a week first. And then because there's 4 weeks in here, and it really helps me just to work out what sort of feel I'm going to have for that week. I love when everything just matches and coordinates really well, which is the reason for our kits. But for me personally, I like each of my weeks to sort of have a, you know, a theme within a theme. I really do like this one, and I love the foil. So I think I'm going to use this one here. I'm just going to pull this out. One of the things I do is I pull out the sticker page, and I'm going to find out, because they're all pre-cut down the side, and I'm just going to extend. That's what I was looking for. Oh, there it is. I found it. Okay, one of the things that I do first is, because when we're manufacturing, we've only got certain places where we can cut to on our sticker pages. So I like to extend that out, just so that it's really easy to peel later. Sorry, I'm probably covering the camera. If you can hear snoring, that's Elsa. I tried to make a time in the day where it was really quiet in the house. Apparently that's also Elsa's nap time. For those who don't know, so Elsa joined us not too long ago. She is an assistance dog in training for our son Lachlan, who has autism. Oops, that wasn't exactly the straightest cut, but you know what? It doesn't matter. So I've just extended those cuts up so now I can peel really easily. Oops, that did not cut as well as I had hoped. There we go. I'm going to start from, just going to use my ruler, just to extend that line down so that I keep straight. One of the reasons, so when I was designing these, I was like, oh, well, I could have the lines exactly to match up to the cut lines on here. And then I thought, you're just creating a lot of pain for yourself, because when people cut it, when the printer goes through, like, you can't get that accurate. And one of the things that does work well with a lot of our stickers is they are a little bit thicker, which makes it really easy, and hopefully you can see, to butt them up against each other and make sure that they stay beautifully straight. Now this sticker I love because it's a nice little tracker, but if you don't want to use it as a tracker, you don't have to. It's just some lines. Now that I've said that I'm going to cover that blue, I actually do really like it, and I kind of don't want to. Maybe I won't cover it, which is very bizarre for me. I almost always cover that. Oops. I'll just, like, okie dokie. Because I plan in a B6 planner and my sticker sheets are B6, it just all works. So it fills up from top to bottom all the way along there. And I actually do really like that blue stripe because it brings it in along. It sort of ties it in. Now the next thing I like to do is I like to use my weekday headers. So I usually do this upside down too, but in the interest of keeping it up straight, that I can't do upside down. I don't know why. I could just start from the bottom. It just doesn't make sense to me. Bit of a weirdo like that. For those who watch us more often, we have a firm belief in this household that weird is wonderful. Hold on, did I do it? Yes, I did the right days. Look at that foil. Can we just look at it? So pretty. It just shimmers. It's my concentrated face. If I was still gaming, I'd be like, Please tell me that, like, when you're concentrating, the tongue goes out. Only, like, more when you're playing a video game. Where are my gamers out? It's not just me, right? Okay, so then I've got my dates across. Look at how pretty that looks. So we've got the sidebar already done. We've got the date, and you can see it's already, like, it's just coming together already, and it's already been so simple. Oh, this color works well. And let's try these. Those two? I think they work. What's this? And this. And this. Jelly pens are the best. Just making sure that they work on a scrap piece and that the colors all work. Please? I cannot be the only one who did not realize. Okay, I know it says it here. I know, but please tell me I'm not the only one who didn't realize that that was a thing and that they're double-ended. Yeah, I'm feeling totally stupid. It's written on there. How could I not know? What I can do is in the back of the book is on clear foiled, and you can use these as the date dots in there if you want to foil them. The other thing that you can do is using your jelly roll is to write the dates in there, or you could write with black or whatever ink sort of takes your fancy. So we got a vet trip tomorrow. I'm going to do this for this week, okay? I am not one of those people who are very well organized. Well, on some things I am. Have I got that straight? Oh, no, I do not. Fail. Actually, you know what? Friday is my favorite day of the week. So I'm just going to peel that off. I'm just going to, usually I put this like on Friday because it's like Friday afternoon is chill out time. I love the minis. Minis are my favorites. Okay, so how am I feeling right now? I'm feeling a little bit nervous and anxious, but I'm doing some videos. So where's my little selfie mini? There she is. Okay, my little selfie mini I feel is like perfect for this occasion. Oh, no, get your booty in there. Booty. Oh. Yep, need to find my tweezers. Okay. Look, it's down. It's so pretty. And the other thing I liked about this kit is that I have a whole bunch of icons and things like that. Maybe I need, you know what, since this is the whole, you know, chill out, rest, and, you know, make some time for yourself, I'm going to grab that sticker, but I'm also going to grab this one here. And I'm going to tell myself that on Friday night, you, miss, are going to chill out and have a bath. If you make a mistake, you throw a sticker over the top of it. Or you just turn the page and start again. That's the best part about it. Make up your mind! I got this beautiful candle and I need to trim it, but it was my first wood wick candle and it smells so divine and it crackles. It crackles. So I'm going to put that there to mark the fact that I finally used my candle from like 2 years ago. It was just the most calming, relaxing thing and I just realized that's tonight. But that's okay because I'm going to use it again. Okay, where was I? I think we're just about done with like the stickers. Oh no, sorry, my bad. Oh, I love you too. Thank you. Off you go. I need to get through this video. Now this is like my journaling space for at the end of the week. I'll write that. I am going to write in. So this is my, let me just make sure this isn't going to ink everywhere. Yep, video projects. Sometimes I'll overlap them through the middle and then I'll cut them before I put them in my planner because they just work nicely that way. So sometimes I find it's easy to flip it over. As you can see, I've got nothing on those pages, which I probably shouldn't have shown. Okay, there we go. So that's cut. Oh, I do have a book. Hang on. Yay, there's a little paw print. Look at how cute. A little paw print. Next, is that gonna smudge? No, I've left it long enough. Next kit. Please tell me I'm not the only smudgy person. I'm so bad with smudging. Submit next kit. Do. What can I use? Here we go. Oh, hold on. Where's my weekly spread? There we go. So I'm just gonna peel this one up. For a second, and slip that onto there. There we go. See? Slap a sticker on it. Crap. Excellent. See? And nobody will ever know. Not that anybody ever looks at your planner, but, you know, that's how I start my week off. Oh, hold on. Self-care. I'm going to add in a little thing here. This should be dry now. Yeah. So important. So my important for this week. I think one of the things that I do is I get so caught up into work that I forget to actually take time to stop. It's so stressful. It's just stop and just remember why I love doing what I do, which is because it gives me so much time with my family. Even though I'm working a lot, I'm at least here with them and I get to, you know, go and see important things like we saw in Deanna's play and things like that. So it's important that I remember that, you know, the time working really is giving me more time with my family. So time working should give you time to be with the kiddos. Okay. And you know what? I'm just going to mark this one off here because I'm going to be like totally wishful thinking that I'm going to go for a walk shortly. I shouldn't say that too loud. But that is the start of my week. So I'm going to move these out of the way. And now what I do is I take this and I throw it back into my planner because I find it really hard to actually write in my planner. That's one of the reasons why I like to use a ring-based or a disc-based planner, is because I like to pull out the pages. And I didn't do any today, but next time I'm going to do some stamping, and it makes it much easier to stamp on a page that you can pull out of your planner. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm going to be doing more of this, just taking some time out to chill, to have fun with my planner, and I hope that a few people will come along and, you know, show me what you've been making. I hope that you're planning while you're watching and taking some time out too. If you like what you've seen today, or if we've inspired you, or if I've inspired you, please make sure to like, leave a comment, let me know. It sounds so salesy. I hate it. If you've had fun along with me, make sure to let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to see some of the new videos that I'm going to be bringing out shortly. Thank you so much for joining me and for having a lot of fun and getting back into our planners. So I will see you next time, I guess. Bye.